ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास 32 क्तप्रत्ययस्य द्वितीय अभ्यास प्रथमाभ्यास 31 क्तप्रत्यय अधुना 32 द्वे अभ्यासे सन्ति क्तप्रत्ययस्य प्रत्ययस्य द्वितीय अभ्यासे yesterday I said I have to say 1-2 sutras, just FYI, they are not important sutras, but there will be some important that will come in our abhyasa today. So just a quick catch up for all the sutras because I know it is a little confusing. So we start from 31, right? So the Moola Sutra for Kta Pratyaya is Kta Ktavatu Nishtha. Kta and Ktavatu are both here. Both are called Nishtha. Both are used in Bhutakala, past tense. Nishtha. Nishtha is also another sutra. In this context, they had given first one exception. They had said, Gatyartha Karmaka Shisha Sheen Stha Sava Sajana Ruha Jirya Tebhyascha. This is the first exception. What they said? In Gatyartaka dhatus and Akarmaka dhatus, Kta Pratyaya will also come in Katruvachya, because generally Kta Pratyaya will always come in Karmavachya. If I want to say Rama has gone, I can say Ramaha Gatavan or Ramaha Agachat. You can say Rama has gone, you say, or Rama went, you say Ramaha Agachat, past tense. But if I want to use Kta Pratyaya, I will say Ramena Gataha. Tritiya Ekavachanam should be used with Kta Pratyaya. However, if it is a Janika Artha, going, like Gam Dhatu, if it is Gam Dhatu, you can also say Ramaha Gataha. Let's say here they have given Sagraham Gataha. So you can say Ramaha Gata. But generally, you have to use the Tritiya Ekavachanam, Ramena. Another way of saying this is Ramaha Gatavan. That will come later, Ktavatu Pratyaya.
Okay, just on this, the Nishtha Pratyaya, Vidya Vinayaka Sutra, is that the 236? Is that the one you said? This is the main Vinayaka Sutra.
Does it say Ktaktavatu Nishtha?
That's what I mean.
That one.
Again, that only I have written 236.
Number I don't know. Ktaktavatu Nishtha is the sutra. That you can check for number, but this is the sutra. Vidhayaka Sutra is Ktaktavatu Nishtha. Vidhayaka in the sense, it is the main sutra that is often given. But Nishtha Pratyaya is one of those pratyayas where the Vidhayaka Sutra is not so obvious and not so important either. It is more important to know these kinds of sutras because Nishtha Pratyaya comes with every dhatu. But these dhatus will say, okay, Gatyartha Karmaka. So for these dhatus you can use this. And then the other exceptions they had given in the next abhyasa. So that is more important for Nishtha in general. Whereas for, Chvi Pratyaya and like what, Nich Pratyaya and even San Pratyaya and all, Vidhayaka Sutras are also important. So there is like, in the sense, practically what is more useful for us? Is the Vidhayaka Sutra more useful? Because that will be true in many pratyayas like Chvi, etc. Where if you know the Vidhayaka Sutra, you know in these dhatus that only will come. But in Nishtha Pratyaya, in every dhatu you can get Nishtha Pratyaya. So it is more important to know what the Apavada Sutras are, what the what is the English word? The exclusion sutras are, the other sutras. That is also critical.
So in our list, where we do Gayaka Sutra for Nishta, then we should add
Takratu.
some of the exceptions.
Yes, for Nishtha there will be the exceptions.
Okay, we should add those.
Nishtha will have more exceptions than maybe any other pratyaya that we are going to see.
Okay.
The next exception they had given, exception in the sense, the next rule they had given, Vyatisyati Syatam Ittikiti. Before that they had also given Rudabhyam Nishtato Naha. Purvasya cha daha. So they had said, in dhatu, if ir comes, then the takara will become irna, nakara. If ir or the comes, then the takara will become nakara or nakara. This they had given earlier. This is not an exception to the rule. Exception in the sense it is valid for nishtapati. Dyatisyati mastham ittikiti. This one says, generally, if you take the dhatu, right? The dhatu should be dataha, because pat dhatu is patitaha, or so the dhatu should be something like that, but it is not. It will become ditaha. So this sutra talks about that. Ditaha, avasitaha, parimitaha, sthitaha. All this will come in these four dhatus. Four dhatus, they have one sutra. Then gapaha, this has another sutra. Gapaha, a different sutra talks about gapaha. Again, I have forgotten. This is, I think, that Ghumasta Gapa Jahajachitam, there is one sutra. So that sutra, we don't have to know all these sutras at the moment. We just have to know that there are exception sutras for certain groups of dhatus. This is critical. So Ga dhatu will become Gitaha. If somebody asks why, then sutra can be quoted. Otherwise, we don't need sutra. Then Anudatopadesha, this sutra says for all these dhatus, Yam, Ram, Nam, Vam, all these dhatus, Nakara will get Lopaha. So let's be Gam will be Gataha. Sorry, Makara will get Lopaha. Gam will just be Gataha, Yam, Yataha, in that way. So you see, the first sutra they had given, Nishtha Pratyaya, Kta and Kravatu are both called Nishtha. And Nishtha is another sutra. They had given these two. And they said for all dhatus it can work. And they also said you have to use Karmavachya. But then the first rule came. For certain dhatus you can use Karmavachya. Then for certain dhatus, Ra in Ir and Id will become Nakara. Then this is the sutra for that. Then one more. Yatisyati, for certain dhatus, Da will become Ditaha. Then for certain dhatus, Ga will become Gitaha, Dirga. Then for certain dhatus, Makara will get Lopa. So you see, this is the way that there is a system that is formed. So if you feel overwhelmed, this is the system. There is one Mula Sutra that is relevant for all dhatus in general. But then, for some dhatus, there is something else. For some dhatus, there is something else. For some dhatus, there is something else. In this way. Then we saw Samprasaranam. Then this Janasana, there is another sutra they have not given here. That also we saw. What happens? Nakara will get Akara. So Jan will become Jataha. So there is a system to the chaos. It is not like impractical. Panini Maharishi has covered everything in a way that he felt was very logical. But of course, some people have disagreed maybe with him a little bit in the order, not in his views, in the order. So they have made new books like Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, this Paushpi Pushpadi, Siddhanta Kaumudi. There are different books with different orders. This is what we should do. But everything is covered in all books. Vachisvapi Ajadinam Kiti and Grahijya Vaivyadi Vashti Vichati Vishtati Pushtati Bhrijadinam Niticha. These two sutras are for Samprasaranam. Samprasaranam is the opposite of eco-energy. So all this will happen. And then Dhahitaha, all these are specific exceptions. There are specific sutras for each of these dhatus. Asdhatu, Shush, Pach, Saha, Ad, Da, everything has one specific sutra unless otherwise mentioned. So it is good just to know that there are exceptions. For now, since this is the first time this book is read and so on, what this book is trying to say is all pratyas will be given. If we know that main sutra for each pratyaya, that is enough. Plus some important karya, important karmas that pratyaya does. Like the pratyaya, there is some prasaranam. This much is a good practice for it. Okay, any questions before we move on? Can you still hear me? I'm okay, right? I'm audible. No? Can you hear me?
Because you had frozen it.
Can you hear me now? I'm audible now. Right?
Yeah, you're audible now.
Okay. Okay, so when the power comes back, I can switch back to another Wi-Fi. I'll turn my camera off for now. Okay, so Abhyasa 32, right? We are going to do the practical, the example sentences. I'll do the first one. Maya karyam kritam. So you see in Abhyasa 32, they are going to use which vachya is this? Kartravachya, Karmavachya, Bhavavachya, which one is this? I say Maya karyam kritam. Karmavachya. And if you have to say the same in Kartravachya, what would you say? Abhaji, what would you say if this is Karmavachya, this is correct. But if I want to say the same thing in Kartravachya, how would I say it?
So Karya will become the Karta. So Karyaha Mere Dwara.
No, why? No, Karya will not be Karta. Karyam is Napumsakalinga. So they have given Napumsakalinga Ekavachana here. This is Karmavachya. See, by me, Karyam has been done. Right?
So when you say, so मैं
कार्य किया. मैंने कार्य किया.
मया कार्य कृतम. मैंने कार्य किया.
कार्यम कृतम.
So कार्य मेरे द्वारा किया गया है. This is what I need to say, right?
Correct. But if you have to use Kartrivachya for the same sentence, because this is Karmavachya, Maya Karyam Kritam. Maya Karyam Kritam is Karmavachya. Sort of, not passive voice, but Karmavachya we know. So Kartrivachya, if you have to say, what would you say in Sanskrit?
Nahi pata.
No, pata. What is the Karta? Here you said Karya. I am the Karta. So in Kartrivachya, active voice, how will you say मैंने किया?
Aham.
Why nahi pata? Pata, obviously. Aham. Then? Aham.
Karyam.
Karyam, correct. Then?
Okay. So I have to know the
Kridhatu
form, right?
Kridhatu lang lakara uttama purusha ekvachana.
Kritani cannot.
Kridhatu lang lakara prathama purusha ekvachana. Uttama purusha ekvachana.
It's not Kritani, right?
No. Why Kritani? No, not Kritani. It will be Akaravam. Why will it be Akaravam? Because Lang Lakara, page number 181. Kridhatu.
Right. Past tense. It is past tense.
Past tense. Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. So you just say first time you say nahi pata, but actually pata. You only said all this. Aham karyam akaravam. That's all. It is not difficult. A lot of it is in our head.
Karyam akaravam.
Bas. Maya karyam kritam is karmavachya. Aham karyam akaravam is kartravachya. Both say the same thing. There is no difference. It is just a different way of saying it. मेरे द्वारा किया जाता है और मैंने किया. बस. So I'll say the first one. Meaning, translation we have to do. Maya karyam kritam मेरे द्वारा किया है. और थ्रू मी इट इज़ बीन डन. मया गुरु सेविता, मेरे द्वारा गुरु सेवा किया है, और गुरु आई हैव डन थ्रू मी गुरु सेवा इज बीन डन. मया वस्त्रम याचितम, आई हैव गॉट वस्त्र, दैट इज थ्रू मी, और मेरे द्वारा याचन किया है. मया धनम लब्धम, मैंने मेरे द्वारा धन पाया. सो मया धनम लब्धम, थ्रू मी इट हैज बीन गॉट, मनी हैज बीन गॉट और गेन्ड. मया कार्यम आरब्धम, मेरे द्वारा कार्य आरब्ध हुआ है, थ्रू मी इट हैज बीन स्टार्टेड. मया मार्गः रुद्धः, रुद्ध धातु
रोका गया है, राइट?
मार्ग.
The dictionary, it's more traveled, covered.
I have blocked the way, ऐसा मतलब है इसका?
हाँ, this is a little weird dhatu. So we're just going to check. Rudra dhatu is to like surround in that way. You see? Rudhadi द्विकर्म का अनिट, रोकना. So रोकना, आवाजी correct. Obstruct, block. या करेक्ट आवाज, सत्य. सो मेरे द्वारा मार्ग रोका है, थ्रू मी इट हैज बीन ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड और ब्लॉक्ड. मया भोजनम च भुक्तम, थ्रू मी इट हैज बीन ईटन, मेरे द्वारा भोजन खाया जाता है. अस्तु. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु मया काष्ठम भिन्नम छिन्नम च. So what should be the
Yeah, so through me the stick has been split, cut, etc.
Correct. So in the same way Nadi Tirna, so we don't have to spend too much time because we have to spend a little more time below. So Nadi Tirna, crossed, river has been crossed. Pariksha Uttirna, in this way only Sundar you can say one word, so we can go a little faster.
Yeah, so Pariksha Uttirna, overcome. Pariksha.
Correct. Next, Annam Kiranam.
Overcome. Annam Kirnam. So the word Kirnam means to kind of throw away, I think.
Kiranam, bikhere, is Kiranam. Then Karyaja Purnam.
Yeah, and Karyaja Purnam, so the work was completed.
Kiranam dhatu means in like to split, split. अन्न को split करते हैं ना, in that way. It is like you say kru dhatu, like that, like double. क्या दिया है क्या यहाँ पे बुक में? They have not given.
They have not given the meaning. They have only given kri dhatu.
हाँ, kri dhatu के meaning is what?
Dhatu pata.
हाँ.
And it says there to throw away, to destroy.
हाँ, pool को वैसे करते हैं ना, flowers. So we do that to flowers. I think you can say split. I'm not sure. Maybe you should say destroy. पुष्पाणि कीर्णानि बोलते हैं many times.
So it's just an odd sentence because you would not be splitting the rice out there. This is saying from a farmer.
Yeah, so that's what I guess it meant. But it can also mean
scattered. जैसे आप birds वगैरह को feed करने के लिए सब तरफ डालते हो. That can be one thing. I mean, if we have to see it in a meaningful context, why would you throw? It would be something like that.
Yeah, that's the meaningfulness there, right? Why throw? It would be something else, like split or something. Anyway, Kirnani is to do that, to split, to destroy in that way. Kirana shabda, kru dhatu is used, so we can take that for now. Astu, satyam. Sundar ji bhavani va kripya vadatu. This one, fifth one. Sagramam gataha. Sorry, 1 second, Sundar ji. Sorry, 1 second.
Sorry?
1 second. So here there is an analysis. Kashtam ko bhinnam chinnam we say. Because kashtam is napumsakalinga. Is a kashtam. Kashtam is napumsakalinga, so kashtam bhinnam chinnam. Nadi is strilinga, so tirna. You see the difference? They won't say tirnam. Pariksha is also strilinga. We say uttirna. Annam napumsakalinga, kirnam. Karyam napumsakalinga, purnam. But earlier they had said marga ruddhaha, because margaha is pullinga, they say ruddhaha. So this is the small bit that is very important in karma vachya. Based on the karma, the kriyapada linga, the kriyapada linga will change. Astu. Sundarji ke pyada to panchama. Can you hear me? I am okay, audible, or should I change Wi-Fi again?
No.
Audible hai.
Acha.
We can hear it.
Okay, okay, thanks.
So, Sir Graman Gataha, so he went to the village.
Gaam gataha,
Shayita,
by me. Ideally you should say by me, because gramam gataha, you can say he may.
So he went to the village.
He went to the village. Gataha kta pratyaya. It is not tritiya ekvachanam because of the gatyartaka sutra. Because it is the sutra, there is a lag, I guess, right? Maybe there is a lag. Because that sutra says gatyartaka shabdas will use prathama purusha. Prathama purusha, that is prathama vibhakti ekvachanam. We are saying sa. Then putra shaitaha, etc.
Yeah, Putra Shayita, the son slept.
Satyam. Uttitaha.
And Naraha Uttitaha, the gentleman got up.
Asitaha.
And Shishya Asitaha sat down.
Ushitaha.
And Ushitaha stayed there. The Muni stayed
Jataha.
there. Jataha was born. The Putra was born.
And then this one? Nripamashvam
Nipaha Ashwam Arudaha, he climbed on the horse.
Kat Satyam Bahu Samyak. Jirnaha.
And Jirnaha, we said, was he got old.
Bahu
Riksha
Samyak.
is old.
Bahu Samyak Sundarji. Bahu Samyak asti. Very nice. Correct.
Didn't we say Jirna was getting old?
Correct. It is. Vrikshaha Jirnaha. Vriksha got old. I'm not audible, I guess. Am I breaking up?
No, you are audible. Vriksha
Acha.
got old.
Okay. Vriksha
Jirna,
got
that's
old.
correct.
Vriksha Jirna is correct. Okay. Bahu Samyak. There is one important sutra here. Nara Uttitaha. Why this is important? Because in Bhashya Tika, Anandagiri ji uses this word a lot. Like a lot. In Brihadaranyaka, he must be using it a minimum 100 times. Utthapanam, Uttitaha, Utthapanam, all this. It has been brought up in that way. Nara Uttitaha. Udaha. So Uttitaha, there is an important word here. It is Ut Upasarga Purvak. That is Ut plus Sthitaha is Ut Thitaha. Right? But that Sakara, where is it gone? It should be Ut Sthitaha. Do you agree with me?
Correct.
Why the Sakara is gone?
The Sakara, obviously it got Lopaha somewhere.
Correct. So how it got Lopaha? Through this sutra. This is an important sutra. This has come like in our Vedanta classes the last year about 7-8 times. And Anandagiriji uses this a lot. Uttitaha, Utthapanam, Uttitavan. All these shabdas will come in Tika. Udaha stastamboho purvasya.
What is the number? Then I'll go look for it.
8461.
Sorry, again?
8461.
8461. Okay, thank you.
Udaha sthastambhoho purvasya. Udaha sthanam. See, they have given example. Ut plus sthanam will become Ut plus sthanam. That Sakara will become Takara through this sutra. This sutra basically says, we can see Anuvritti Sahita Sutram, Sahitam Sutram, Udaha sthastambhoho purvasya savarna. Ut upasargat parasya sthadatoho stambadatoho Purva Savarna Adesha Bhavati. In Sthadhatu and Stambhadhatu, in these two dhatus, when Ut comes, Sakara gets Lopa. So Ut plus Sthanam, Utthanam. Ut plus Sthambanam, Uttambhanam. That's all. So for 2 words there is 1 sutra. So this is an important sutra to know. 8461. When Anandagiri ji says next, I am sure he will say in like the next few mantras at least once it will come up. Utthanam. Astu. Abhaji कृपया वदतु. Maya ganam geetam jalancha pitam. How would you translate?
Nice. Let us call it. So let's christen it Anandagiri Sutra.
Yes, we can say Anandagiri Sutra. I guess there is a lag, right, in what I'm saying. 1 second.
What is it? No. What's the number?
1 second. Can you hear
Maya
me?
ganam geetam jalancha.
One
Okay,
second.
मैं गीत गाती हूँ और जल पीती हूँ.
Okay, 1 second. Can you hear me now?
नहीं, मैंने गीत गाया और जल पिया.
Correct. But can you hear me? How much is the lag? I want to check.
No, that's fine. I mean, it's okay. Lag है तो भी we can hear you ना. अगर 2 second बाद सुना तो.
Okay.
We are anyway flow. It's okay.
Okay. The trouble is this power, when it goes, the Wi-Fi goes with it. But as long as you can hear, that's good. So, Maya Ganam Geetam Jalancha Pitam, you are correct. Through me, Gan Gaya Geeta, Gan Gaya, or Jal Pita. Astu, Abhaji Bhavati Eva, this one. Maya Suptam Bijam Uptam. How would you say?
मेरे सुप्तम तो सोना होता है.
Correct.
मेरे द्वारा सोया जाता है ऐसे.
सम्यक, हाँ.
ओके. और मेरे द्वारा बीज उगाया जाता है.
सम्यक, बहु सम्यक. So in this way, पुस्तकम गीतम. हाँ, in the same way पुस्तकम गीतम. पुस्तक लीह.
मेरे द्वारा पुस्तक ग्रहण की जाती है.
1 second, only one words. Grihitam, Prishtaha, Ahutaha, only this translation. So Prishtaha?
पृष्ठः पूछा जाता है.
Ahutaha?
आहुति की जाती है.
आहुति की जाती है. You can say.
आहुति नहीं है ये.
बुलाया. बुलाया. मुझे बुलाया.
Oh, बुलाया. Right.
ऊढ़ः?
भार ऊढ़ः. तो ओके, उठाया जाता है.
सत्यम. विहितम?
किया जाता है.
पक्वम?
या त्यागा नहीं. नो, निहितम होगा तो त्यागा जाता है होगा.
करेक्ट.
ओके.
पक्वम?
पकाया जाता है.
सोढ़म?
दुखम सोढ़म छोड़ा जाता है.
सोढ़म इस सह धातु. सहनम, सहन किया.
ओके, सहन किया जाता है.
सत्यम, बहु सम्यक.
For this Tritiya, Maya, etc., I found it easier to just translate it as मैंने rather than मेरे द्वारा.
No, see,
so to say मैंने सोया.
मैंने is prathama.
मैंने is prathama.
मैंने means I. That's all. I have done. मैंने किया. I did. Maya is मेरे द्वारा हुआ. Maya through me.
Yeah. No, I understand that Maya is through me, but मेरे द्वारा सोया गया. It just.
Of course, it is a bit weird.
Felt a bit.
Yes.
It doesn't be translate वैसा ही होगा उसका literal translation.
Yes.
Even if it doesn't have great sense.
Yes.
Like for example, if you see the Sanskrit Banawa first sentence, it will say Ram ne pustak padhi. It will not say Ram ke dwara pustak padhi, because they want us to say Ramena.
Yeah, but see, they will not say that because in Hindi it doesn't make sense, right? Ram ke dwara pustak padhi, in Hindi it doesn't make sense. But what we want to do here, we more want to see how to do the Tritiya Ekavachanam translation.
Okay.
Of course, it may not make sense. There will be so many that will be lost in translation, right? Like, But your point is correct. In Hindi, if I want to say, of course, I will say Ram ne pustak padhi is correct. Of course, then Ram ke dwara pustak padha hua hai and all that stuff. Of course. But
राम के द्वारा पुस्तक पढ़ी गई है.
पढ़ी गई है. हाँ, sorry. पढ़ी गई है. So, but Ram, of course, in Hindi that is correct. But when you translate Sanskrit Tritiya to Hindi, you have to say ke dwara. Or through me, you can say. Even in English, when are we going to say, through me that book has been read? Or by me that book has been read? We never say it. We say, I read the book. So, of course, it is there. But Karmavachya in Sanskrit makes a little more sense than Karmavachya in Hindi or English. That. Astu. So, all this we finished. Dvijanma Atmanam Posheti, I can say this. Dvijanma Brahmana Atmanam Posheti. Atma ko Poshana. Nourish, Tarpayati, offer, Alocheti is Vichara, is doing of Atma. And here, one more we forgot. Maya dushtaha hataha. Maya, through me, mere dwara, dushta ko han hua hai. I guess you would say, right? Or like I attacked. That is, he got destroyed in that way. Guru nataha. Namaskar. Nagarancha dhvastam. I reached. Dhvast. Advan will be marga. So dhvastam will be like to go in that way. I suppose. I have to check this. But I think it will be. Jana. So that one. Jana means to go. Maya Nagara. I have gone to the Nagara, village, city, whatever. Astu. And final. Sa tasya kathanam khandayati mandayati cha.
All this hataha, nataha and all that is the same as that gataha.
Exactly. Gata, but the sutra, hataha nataha, gataha sutra, for gati arthaka dhatus, you can use that gataha sutra. Hataha nataha, you have to use that anudatopadesha, that sutra from anudatopadesha vanati tanotyadinam anunasika lopa jhalingiti, that long sutra, that is for hataha nataha, where that makara will get lopa basically. This is all han dhatu, but nakara lopa happens. Han dhatu, nam dhatu, all this dvam dhatu. Nam or nakara lopa will happen. Gataha also you can put here, but gata is better in that gati arthaka dhatus in that way itself. Asu satasya kathanam kandeti mandeti cha. Sundarji, kim bhavati?
Yeah, so therefore, okay, so he, tasya kathanam, okay, he did ninda and prashansa.
Of?
Ninda and stuti of that kathanam.
Of that person. Tasya kathanam is second person. Sa is the first person. There are two people.
Yeah. So he, tasya kathanam, so he, the other person's speech.
Correct.
Tasya kathanam. So his speech, he did stuti or ninda.
Correct. He did stuti of ninda of his speech.
Of his speech, yeah, correct. The other guy's speech.
Okay. संस्कृत बनाओ. राम ने पुस्तक पढ़ी. आभा जी.
अपठत पढ़ी यानी ऐसा.
But in th pratyaya if you have to use apatat is satyam bahu samyak. Th pratyaya
पठति.
Pathitaha.
Pathitaha. Okay.
You see, it is like this. You see, the end you have to see. Kritam, sevitaha, yachitam, labdham, arabdham. So, patitam or patitaha based on, patitam this will be. Pustakam is napumsakalinga. So, patidhatu should be napumsakalinga. Ramena, pustakam, patitam. This is
okay, so to see this pitam,
you see that way.
Asitaha, unko follow karna hai.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ta pratyaya is simple in that way because everything will end in that only. That ta, dha, this kind of shabda only it will end. There will not be some new kind of akshara here. It is all going to be the same, similar way only. You see any of the dhatus.
Patitaha.
Patitam.
Pathitam.
Patitam because Phat dhatu will follow Pustaka. If it were Grantaha, because Grantha is Pullinga, I would say Ramena Grantaha Patitaha. But I have given Pustakam, so I will say Ramena Pustakam Patitam.
Pustakam Pathitam. Ramena Pustakam Pathitam.
Correct. Astu. Abhaji bhavati eva. Panchama.
Panchama is Balak Utha, Shishya Vaha Raha.
एक second. So Utha will be in Sanskrit.
Balakaha Uttitaha.
Bahu samya. You see how very easy it becomes. Seriously, it becomes so simple. Correct. And Shishya Vaharaha.
Raha. Shishyaha Tatra Raha is Asti जो होता है.
Correct. You can say Raha past tense you have to say. Abhavat.
Abhavat.
Or better. No, not Asitaha. Better is Ushitaha. Vas dhatu will get Samprasaranam. Vas dhatu will get Samprasaranam and become Ushitaha.
यहाँ पर जो शिष्य आसीतः है.
Asita बैठा.
बैठा. Okay, आसन. Okay.
Ushitaha you say here. So Shishyena Tatra Ushitaha. That way. Tatra Ushitam.
शिष्य दिया है यहाँ पे शब्द. शिष्य वहाँ रहा.
So कर्मवाच्य में अगर बोलना है थ प्रत्यय के साथ शिष्येन with th pratyay, if you want to say, it will be Shishyena Tatra Ushitam. That way.
Shishyena Tatra Ushitam.
Ushitam, because there is no karma here. It will be like a bhavavachya sentence because there is no karma at all. Like Balaka Utha. Kaha Utha? Uthitam, that's all. Putra Utpanna Hua. Jatam. Ram Soya. Putra Jatam.
Ram Soya. Okay, that was the Suktam.
Shayitam यहाँ पे शी धातु यूज स्वप धातु यूज कर सकते हैं. स्वप धातु का प्रयोग इज करेक्ट. So if you said swap dhatu, you say suptam. But here they have said she dhatu use kar. So she will be shayitam. Ramena shayitam.
Ramena Shaitam.
Correct. Guru vriddha hua.
Guruvena.
Guruna.
Vriddha hua. We had this Jirnaha.
Bahu samyak. Correct.
Jirnaha, okay. Guru नाम है तो जीर्णाम करना होगा.
नहीं, गुरुना जीर्णम. गुरुना is तृतीया एकवचनम of guru शब्द. Right? Guruhu guru guravaha. Gurum guru guruna. We saw at the beginning. This will all be at the end of this. Okay, we'll see.
Yeah. Okay. So Guruna Jirnam.
Guruna Jirnam. Jirnam. Why not Jirnaha? So you see Guruna, first we'll see this. Tritiya Ekavachanam, Guruna.
Because this is third person, is there?
Third person in the sense, but Ramena was also third person, but we said Pustakam Patitam or Grantaha Patitaha. Like Rama, Shabda was here, but we said Pustakam Patitam, or if it's Gantaha, Ganta, there also it is third person. Okay, you say this, I see this way. Any other guesses? Correct. Ram ne pustak padi. This is karma vachya. There is a karma here. Pustaka. Guru vriddha hua. Where is the karma? Guru is the karta and vriddha hua is the karya. Kriya pada. Karma is not here. So this way it will be bhavavachya. And every bhavavachya sentence you use napumsakalinga. So ushitam, right. Shayitam, jirnam.
So we get the same putra utpanna hua, right?
Correct. Putra jatam. Where is the karma here? Karta and kriya are there. Karma pada is not there. So putra jatam, putra jatam. Even though it will be putraha, it will not be putram. Putraha is still, or putrena you have to say. Putrena only, because it is pullinga. Putrena jatam. That. Shishyena tatra ushitam. Not ushitaha. Balakaha utitam. All that will be. So this whole sentence is for bhavavachya. Ladiki parvata, but here you see.
यहाँ पर क्रिया हो रही है.
हाँ हाँ, कर्म है, मतलब क्रिया हो रही है सब जगह. यहाँ पे कर्म है. लड़की पर्वत, पर्वत इज देयर. हाँ,
पर्वतम होगा ना.
सो पर्वतः पुल्लिंग अस्ति.
पर्वत पर.
हाँ.
So it is like सप्तमी होगा, right? Location है तो.
Yeah, but you can just use this like prathama ekavachanam only because you want to use kta pratyaya. Kta pratyaya use करके karma will always be in prathama. Then you use kta pratyaya. Whatever meaning it is. In this.
Balika.
हाँ. पर्वतः.
बालिका पर्वतः.
पर्वतः आरूढ़ः. Uttita you can say you have to get up. Arudha is to climb. Climbed. Balika parvatah
Ashvamarudha.
हाँ, correct, like Ashvamarudha. Satya. Sundar ji.
Parvatah is a pullinga shabda.
Yes, parvatah is pullinga. So it is, but here earlier they had given bhubrit. You remember in earlier abhyasa they had given bhubrit shabda for parvata. Which abhyasa? 30th, I guess. This one you see, bhubrit is parvata, or parvata here also you can use. So you say bhubrit only. Bhubrit paryatanam, bhubrit. Bhubrit or better is parvata. Parvata is easy word. Parvataha arudha. In that way.
We don't use bhubrit.
Yeah, we don't use bhubrit that much. So parvata is a more common word, of course. Parvata, Everest parvataha. Also you can say. बालिका पर्वतः आरूढ़ः. सत्यम. अस्तु सुंदरजी द्वितीय.
That's a Madhusudan Saraswati ji's word. He is a master of rare using rare words. Yeah.
Even our Sureshwaracharya ji in Naishkarmi Siddhi, almost every word is so rare. Even the Mangalacharana is like never heard of anywhere. Like that Khanila Abdyadarindyantam and all that. These are very interesting words, rare words. हाँ, सुंदर जी द्वितीय. ब्रह्मा ने संसार का पालन किया. ब्रह्मणा. हाँ, ब्रह्मणा. Because no, not ukara, but atman shabda, right? Atman we had seen nakaranta pullinga. Ananta pullinga, sorry. That Atman.
Okay, Atmana.
You see, Atmana is Tritiya. So Brahmana.
Brahmana, and then Samsaram. Samsaram. Samsaram Palakaha.
Samsaraha, it is pullinga.
Samsaraha.
Samsara palitaha.
Actually, yeah, it's a struggle to find out whether when it is word pullinga or it's hard.
It is hard.
Anyway,
Not
yeah.
But you know, the interesting is Jagat is Napumsakalinga. So either you can say Samsara palitaha, or you say Jagat palitam.
Jagat palitam, yeah, okay. तो जगत पालितम and उसको धारण किया. Okay, and उसको sorry.
No worries. So I can say this. So we have time before Naishkarmi Siddhi. Brahmana samsaraha palitaha. And then because we say samsaraha pullinga or usko will be sa cha. Sa for us. And or cha. So sa cha dharitaha. Dharan karna you can take as he is wearing the world, his body is the world, or he's protecting, he's carrying the world. You can take he's the dhata of the world. All these mantra understandings you can get from dharana. But samsaraha palitaha sacha dharitaha. Or if you want to say jagat, jagat palitam tat cha, because tat is napumsakalinga, tat cha dharitam. अस्तु सुन्दरजी तृतीय यज्ञकर्ता ने वृक्ष कहा.
Okay. यज्ञकर्ता ने वृक्ष काटा. So therefore, यज्ञकर्ता. Okay. So therefore, this has to be again. यज्ञकर्ता would be पुल्लिंगा only.
It is पुल्लिंगा कर्तृ शब्द. कर्तृ. हाँ यजमा easy यजमानेन. Nice shortcut. यजमानेन वृक्षं खंडितम सत्यम. और you can say यज्ञकर्त्रा. कर्त्रा is कर्तृ शब्द we had seen, right? Like पितृ शब्द. तृतीया एकवचन will be कर्त्रा. त्रा. So कर्त्रा यज्ञकर्त्रा और यज्ञ यजमानेन वृक्षं खंडितम. हाँ सत्यम. अस्तु अहं वदामि चतुर्थ. So you see bikere kru dhatu has come here. Krinati. Bruk kri, this earlier we had seen, right? Annam kirinam. Same thing. Krishnene poolam. Krishnena poolani krinanti. You say here they had given kirinanti. And karyam puranam. Karyanja puranam. That's all. Karyanja puranam. He finished, he did the karya. Simple. Astu. Shashta Brahmana. The Patthar they had given one word.
Ashma diya tha.
Correct. Ashman. Satyam. Bahu samyagasta. Dhanyavada. Ashman. So Ashmanam it will be. Brahmana Ashma. You can say Ashma because like Atma, Brahma. In that way. Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Ashma. Hoda. You can say breaking. You can say khanditam. Maybe there is a better word.
Churnitam nahi.
Churnitam ho sakta hai, but there is another word, that's not coming to the head. Okay, for now we'll say churnitam. There is a better word for thoda. ठीक है, जो भी है. ब्रह्मणा अश्मा चूर्णितम. That is correct. अस्तु. घोड़ा ने अन्न खाया. हाँ, घोड़े ने अन्न खाया. अभाजी कृपया तो घोड़े ने अन्न खाया.
अश्वेना.
हाँ.
अन्नम.
हाँ.
Now this is pulling. ऐसे करना है. I don't know. So खाया, right? ग्रहणम. Gruhitam.
Satyam. So good. If first you think I don't know, but when you start saying everything is correct. Ashwena annam gruhitam, or you can say khaditam.
See, when it comes to processing everything, like इसका लिंग भी देखना है, वचन भी देखना है, and then especially the kriyapad ka the form, and also it has to be correct as per the pratyay that we are studying. Then I get like so many things to consider.
but all those things were in this sentence and you said it correctly. Ghoda you said Ashwena correct because it is pullinga. Annam you said correctly Napumsakalinga annam. Khaya you said Grihitam or Khaditam, that is Napumsakalinga because annam. And Khaditam because the pratyay. Everything is coming in this sentence and you said all of them. Paap nashta हुए. पाप नष्ट हुए. सुंदर.
यहाँ पर nobody did any karma. This has happened. ऐसा वाला sense.
अस्तु भवति एव वदतु. हाँ, भाववाच्य. So how will it be? Translation.
भाववाच्य. Correct. Papa is पापम ऐसा शब्द है.
पापा is पापः.
Okay. पापः नष्ट हुए. Like एक second. To just think the ones that we said. Maya suktam wala.
हाँ.
So nashanam.
नष्टम. पापैहि नष्टम. पापैहि because बहुवचनम. हुए. हुआ नहीं बने हुए.
पापैहि नष्टम.
पापैहि नष्टम. Simple.
Okay.
अस्तु. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु दिस आपके फेवरेट. मैंने पुस्तक पढ़ी. हाँ.
So Maya pustakam padhitam.
हाँ सत्यम. And here this one.
And lekam likitam.
लेखः लिखितः. लेखः is पुल्लिंग. लेखः पुल्लिंग. लेखः.
एकः लिखितः then भोजनं खादितं
सत्यम
then धनं लब्धं
सत्यम
and गंगां तीर्णं
गंगा तीर्णा
गंगां
गंगा गंगा बस गंगा तीर्णा
गंगा तीर्णं गंगा तीर्णं
हाँ
परीक्षा
Satyam. Ganga Pariksha because it should be Pratama Purusha only here. Maya is coming here. Maya we already did Tritiya Ekachanam. Ganga Pariksha and all are karma. So they take Pratama Purusha Ganga. Ganga Tirana Pariksha Uttirana. Iti. Astu. Dashama. Tune Gana. So all of these, till here everything is going to be the same. Tune Gana Gaya. Tvaya Ganam Geetam. Jal Piya. Jalam Pitam. Shatru ko Mara. Shatrum Hatam. गुरु को प्रणाम किया गुरु नतम or you say guru natam because nataha because it is pullinga गुरु को प्रणाम किया गुरु नतः शत्रुः हतः जलम पीतम and दुष्टम दुष्ट को बाधा you can say that han dhatu only we can use for this also or destroy बांधा अच्छा बांधा है हाँ 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 सत्य सत्य अस्तु देन एकादश विद्यारत्न विद्यारत्न करके एक आदमी है किधर गया विद्यारत्न अच्छा बुक द इन द फिजिकल बुक विद्यारत्न इज गिवन इन द पीडीएफ उसने किया है इन द फिजिकल बुक दे चेंज्ड हिज नेम दे गिव हिम अ नेम विद्यारत्न सो विद्यारत्नेन और तेन उसने तेन दैट्स ऑल तेन भूमि खोदी so it will be to dig
खनन करना
हाँ सत्यम बहु सम्यक you see once we get a hang right everything is so natural यज्ञ किया हाँ आभाजी वदतु यज्ञ किया किं भवति
यज्ञं कृत्वा
इष्टम that's all इष्टम यज्ञ they had given right इष्ट यज धातु was for इष्ट यज्ञ किया इष्टम or you can say yajnam kritam you can say not wrong but ishtam is better ishtam tena ishtam that's all beej boya beejam
बीजम उक्तम हाँ
beejam
उक्तम है ऊपर उक्तम या उक्तम
uptam pa uptam uktam means like uktam means to say uvacha jaise uktam beejam uktam So same thing here, all of this, prashnam, prashnaha, prishtaha, chatra, autaha, bhara, uda, everything is the same. Everything is exactly the same. Pustak li, pustaka grihitam, all of these, they are just repeated. Mujhe bulaya, maya, or aham, tena aham ahutaha, satyam, ahu samyam. Astu, bharave, dvadasha, maine dhan diya, maya dhanam dattam, bhojanam kiya, bhojanam, पचितम और पक्वम सॉरी भोजनम पक्वम ऐसे पुत्र पैदा हुआ पुत्र जातम पुत्र जातम हाँ हाँ क्या
भोजन किया इज भोजन खाया ईटिंग दैट सेंस में
अच्छा ठीक है भुक्तम भोजनम भुक्तम ओके सो भोजन किया टू ईट विल बी भोजनम भुक्तम ओके एंड पुत्र पैदा हुआ जातः पुत्र जातः फलम पका फलम पक्वम फल पका वृक्ष सूखा वृक्षम जीर्णम
शोषयति शोषितम शोषण शोषित राइट न शोचयति कांक्षति नो 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 नॉट दैट सॉरी बट एक शोष ऐसा शब्द होता है ना सूखने के लिए
शोष यू कैन से जीर्ण हियर इट ड्राइड अप गॉट ओल्ड
Okay.
Jiranam, but you're saying shosh. There is a shabda for sure, but can we use? अच्छा, very good.
भगवद गीता का एक श्लोक है जिसमें
correct,
आत्मा सूखती नहीं that one.
Correct. That अच्छेद्योयम अदाह्योह्यम. That one, right? 2.24.
हाँ, yes. So I was thinking of that word और वो मुझे याद नहीं आया. Because शोचयति तो दुख होता है ना?
That is shocha. This is shosha. You see this one. अच्छेद्योयम अदाह्योयम अक्लेद्यो Ashoshya evacha. Correct. So you can say shosha.
Ashoshya. Correct. That's the word I was looking for.
But
To
that is
synchronize that.
but nashochayati nakangshati is from Bhakti Yoga, right? 12th chapter.
Yeah, that's different.
Which shabda, which sloka?
Shosha was the word that I was looking for.
Is it 16?
Ashochayati nakamshati.
Nashochayati
person
nakam.
दुख नहीं करता है ऐसा.
हाँ. Samash before this क्या? Which sloka was that? 17 I guess. हाँ. यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न कांक्षति. That is no. He does not lament. He does not get sad. न शोचति.
Yes.
Cha, chakara, and here it is shakara, satyam. So you can say shosha. You can say shosha. But you can also say jirna dhatu also you can use. Dhatu word. Va uthas tena uthitam. You can say utha. You can say that.
Will it be uttitam or uttitah? Uttitam.
But here there is no karma, right? See, it should be uttitaha.
Correct. Napumsak. Yeah.
भाववाच्य इसके लिए ना
Bhavacha. Correct.
चतुर्दशा वह अवश्य शिष्य को सांत्वना देता है. सुंदर जी भवान वदतु किं भवति.
So तेन अवश्यम शिष्यः, then सांत्वना, we had that word. Santvatam, I guess.
Santvitam, I think it will be. Santva. We'll check that.
Yeah.
I think it is Santvitam, but we'll check that. Santva dhatu to pacify. So here you can check like this. You can go and check for ta pratyaya. You see Santvita they have given. If you go to
Ashtadhyayi,
in Ashtadhyayi app, you can go to Dhatu and you say Kridanta. So Dhatu mein all this is there, right? Shabda. In Shabda or in Dhatu, both you can say. But here I guess this is Dhatu. Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Satyam. So Dhatu Pata you go and you say any Dhatu. So you'll get Kartari Bhava Karmanoho, Sannante, Nijante, Yangante, Yang Lugante, and then you go to Kridante. So in Kridante, you will see Kta Pratyaya. Kta, you see, Santvita. Can you see?
so Dhatu Pata is okay. But somewhere I went wrong in that. I mean,
So-
you go to Dhatu Pata and then
Type
you
the
have to
Dhatu.
search for something, right?
Yeah, so type the Dhatu, any Dhatu that comes to your mind you can type. Like, which Dhatu would you like to see?
Right. Okay, let me look
So
at it.
सांत्वना के लिए what would be the अष्टाध्यायी में if we are typing, what would be the dhatu we would type?
Santva Dhatu, SAANTV, or like this Santva you can type. Sundarji, you can type that only. Check that itself. Santva, SAANTV, that much.
So SAANTVA.
NTV, that's all. VA nahi chahiye, V may be illusions.
Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Then it comes to some.
Nahi.
Yeah, Santva.
So Kridante, you have to go to the drop down below the Santva, Shabda is there. Below that Shabda, drop down.
Oh, Santva and Dhatu Pata are showing me Santva and Santva only. One is Kaumudi and Kaumudi Dhatu. It will drop down.
So Kaumudi Dhatu ke niche, below Kaumudi Dhatu, what do you see?
Below Kaumudi Dhatu, it's just given Pantvan, Prayoge, Churadi, Ubhayapati.
So you have to click that. Click the second one or first one, whatever. Both are there.
Kartari.
So Kartari Lang se you drop down and you go to Kridante. The 11th one.
Kartari Lang se you drop down. Kridante, yes.
So when you go to Kridante,
I'm going to Kridante.
first what do you see?
Lute.
Correct. So lute is a pratyaya. These are all pratyayas. Lute, nul, trich, yat, tavya, anir, and then you see kta.
Yeah, Santvita.
That's all. So in this way, you see how many pratyas they are giving? They are given so many. Abhaji, you found?
No, I typed both Hindi and English. Santva I did not find.
Where did you type? Did you type in Sutra Pata or Dhatu Pata?
Dhatu Path.
Dhatu Pata?
Ashtadhyayi, Dhatu Path.
Can you see my screen?
No, you're not sharing, I think.
Acha. Can you see now?
See, Meera, but a lot of times I struggle with these.
Can you see my screen now?
Screens?
No, don't worry. Just see my screen.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, okay.
So you go to the right top and see Dhatu
From
Pata,
there,
right?
Dhatu Path, correct.
And then you go
I
type
did that.
SANTV.
Okay, yeah, I will do again. I did it,
Ah.
but I okay. Let me go here. SAANTV. Yeah, got it.
So you click that one, whatever it says, Santame.
So now the Kattarike drop down, you said, right?
Yes.
We need to change it to
Kridante, 11th one. Kridante.
okay. Sannante wala.
Like Kridante,
Krudante.
the 11th one.
Yes, okay.
And then you see all
So
the.
Santwan.
Haan.
Lut is Santwan.
So lut is a pratyaya. All these are pratyas.
Yeah.
Lut, mul, trich,
Our
yat.
pratyaya now.
Everything is a pratyaya. And then kta pratyaya is number 7 and it says Santvita. So this is the trick, right? If ever there is any doubt on how the word will decline, etc.
So in Krudante, I didn't get the same screen as you.
Why? What did you do?
That's it. Okay. The pratyaya. Santvita.
Same screen, na?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yes. So this is the trick, right? So Santva, you can do this for any dhatu. In say Pat dhatu, Creed dhatu, Kha dhatu, Val dhatu, whatever, it'll all be here. You just have to follow the same thing. This website,
But
once you
here
know.
when you ask in the class, you cannot do this for each word, no?
Yes, it's
We
hard.
have
So
to
that has to be
do
more.
it.
Yes.
Okay.
You need to see before the session.
Yeah.
Little bit. By the time we finish pratyas, we'll have more practice and it'll be easier. We'll have to go. So I'll just finish off these few sentences in a few minutes. Tena सांत्वितम वह ठीक ढंग से वरम मेरे कथन का मंडन करता है, ये खंडन करता है ठीक ढंग से. सहा तेना अवश्यम you say for now, but there will be some better words for ठीक ढंग से, अच्छे से, something like that. समीचीनम मेरे कथन मम कथनम मम कथनस्य मंडनम मंडितः तेन मंडित मम कथनस्य मंडित मम कथनम मंडितम. एंड यह ये खंडन करता है, सह खंडितंच इन दैट वे. तेन खंडितंच तेन मंडितम तेन खंडितम. One guy is praising my kathanam, one guy is ninda doing ninda of my kathanam. Tena annam tolta hai. Tena tolta hai you can use for this word, that splitting word we saw somewhere in Sanskrit and we didn't know how to do that. Annam kiranam.
Kirnam.
Tena annam
We learned
kiranam.
for napna. There was another word that we learned for measuring. We had learned another word.
Tul dhatu, sorry. Tul dhatu is for tol.
Nap.
Tul dhatu.
Exactly.
Tena tul dhatu tolitam?
Tulyam.
Tulyam?
Tul.
I don't know. We'll check.
Tulyam is like comparing हो जाएगा ना तुल्यम का अर्थ
Tolitam.
तुलना कर
Tolitam. Here you have seen. Same process I just did. I said tul dhatu kridante kta pratyaya tolitam. तेन तोलितम अन्नम तोलितम. वह घोषणा करता है, स घोषणम ऋतम, और घोषणा करना ग्रीषम घोषितम. सत्य. अस्तु. तेन पुत्र का पालन करता है, पुत्रः पालितम. अपि च करता है पालयति, यू कैन से. Palitah, or you can say palayati, because all this is lat lakara. So if it is lang lakara, you say palitam, lat lakara palayati, and उसे देखता है, तेना पश्यति, पश्यति, lat lakara. द्विजन्मा आत्मा की विवेचना करता है, आत्म विवेचनम, nice word they have used. So we can just do atma vivechanam karoti, or you can say atmanam vicharam or something you can do. द्विजन्मा ब्राह्मण. अन्न संसार, अन्न संस्कार को तृप्त करता है, अन्न संसार, अन्नम संसारः तृप्तः करोति और तर्पयति. That is correct. अत्तम पक्तम शुषितम नास्ति, जगदम पक्वम शुष्कम, in this way it will go. वप्तम यष्टम कीर्तम पूर्तम नास्ति, उपतम इष्टम किरणम पूर्णम. This is samprasaranam. Samprasaranam is happening here. The second one and the first one, that different sutras are working. Ka ko bahuvachan we have seen, quickly we'll see. Pustakam patitam, pustakani patitani. जैसे पुलानी क्रीडनानी, in that way it will come. Ka ko lot lang vidhiling we just did. Lot lang maybe one dhatu we can take. Ka ko lot lang. Kiya dhatu wherever it is there. So karoti kurtaha kurvanti. So karoti will be lot, lat. Karotu is lot. Akurat, akurut, akuruta, that is lung. And akarot is lung. Vidhiling kuryat, drink karishyati. Sorry, this is going a bit fast, but you know where all this is. It is not like foreign. You just have to go to the kri dhatu and see all lakaras. इन शब्दों के पूरे रूप लिखो, या सी लेटर. इन धातुओं के 10 लकार पूरे रूप लिखो, स्टे लेटर. इन धातुओं के प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाओ. सो ओनली दिस वील डू. विल जस्ट डू 2-3 ऑफ दिस. कृ धातु कृतम, लब लब्धम, रुद रुद्धम. सुंदर जी, भुज धातु
भजन करना,
भुज भुक्तम, खाना, भुक्तम, भुज भुक्तम. सुंदर जी, कृ धातु कृतम नहीं, कीर्णम. गा धातु गा गानम. गीतम. गम धातु इज गतः. हाँ, सत्यम. आभाजी, पा धातु
पीतम.
नम धातु
नमितम.
नतम. वच धातु
नतम. वच तो बोलना, तो वागम
नहीं, कुछ कार्य होता है यहाँ पे. व्हाट कार्य? I'll tell the sutra, you tell me. No, 1 second. I will tell the sutra, you tell me what the karya is. Vachi swapi yajadinam kiti. That is the sutra. Vachi swapi yajadinam.
संप्रसारण होता है यहाँ.
Correct. हाँ. So vach dhatu will become
वाची.
eco energy में which akshara becomes va in eco energy? Guru asti, you say? Ah, u. So va will become u here. Samprasaranam. Uktam. Uktam. Uvacha. Uchuhu. Correct. Uchuhu. Uktam. Uktam. Uvacha. Uchuhu. All that is correct also. In different lakaras. Uktam. Yeah. ओम पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.
A quick one.